XL Power Stroke, you like to live life on the edge. Fucking mint. Curb rash on your forces. Fucking mint. Windows blacked out because you're ugly. Fucking mint. Drop hitch even though you don't tow anything. Fucking mint. When your big spoolie boy back there makes too much boost and your degas bottle pushes coolant through. Fucking mint. Bro, you driving Ford Power Stroke, bro? You got the rims, bro. You got the stretchy tires, bro. You got the 10 windows, bro. You got the nobody cares sticker, bro. You got the black soot on your truck, bro.
So I'm pretty sure when God was making me, he was like, all right, bet. We'll make her super tall. Make her have a super deep voice. Make her want to dress like this. And give her all the other characteristics a lesbian has.
Alright, my truck's been making this really weird noise. Like, I can't hear it when I'm out here. I can only hear it when I'm in the truck and I'm driving.
Waiting for us. Are you seriously on TikTok right now? I'm gonna divorce you. I swear to Christ. It's unbelievable.
I mean, see, now I can't hear it, but you...
I don't give a shit how fast you think you are. When you're taking the plug out of the bottom of an oil pan, nobody is fast enough to do it without getting oil all over their hands. Change my mind.
Shit. Today I'm gonna show you I be country. Need a set of shit kickers, a truck, big old fucking tires, a lift kit for a small dick, little bit of rust, never hurt, show you're a rugged motherfucker, and of course an exhaust louder than my cousin that I fucked last night. Wait a minute.